Hello everyone, I'm Rohit. I, on behalf of Sri Aurobindo Society, would like to welcome all you teachers to one of the most successful and innovative idea sharing platforms of India, ZIIEI. Here we will be discussing about new and innovative techniques for the different lessons from our class, and in short, how to make the whole process of learning fun, interesting for the kids. The chapter that I'll be covering today is from NCERT Board Mathematics subject, and the name of the chapter is Mapping Your Way. The innovative idea that we will be taking to cover this lesson is known as New Age Teaching Techniques. The main innovation behind this idea is to give the students a hands-on experience so that they can have a better understanding of the subject and they can relate it to their day-to-day life. With the help of this topic, we will be covering some of the important topics under this lesson, like how to get a perspective of drawing the 3D dimensional drawings in the form of 2D, how we can know about the directions in a map, how we can study a map, how to see the different angles, right angle and other angles in a map. Before starting the topic, we need to make some pre-arrangements. The main idea behind this implementation is excursions, because seeing is believing, and for implementing this idea practically we will be needing to take the students for excursions, and for that we need to make some pre-arrangements, like we have to take permission from the school, we have to inform their parents, and on the day before going to the for the excursion, we have to prepare some guide maps for the park where we will be going. We have to make some 5 to 6 samples so that we can distribute it to the kids. And we ask the students to bring their own tiffins, lunchbox, and pencil, sharpener, and copies. On the day we go for the excursion, once we go, first of all, we concentrate on giving the students a perspective of how to draw the 3-dimensional drawings in the form of 2D. For that, after entering the park, we ask the students to go from one point to another. And while going to that point, we ask them to observe the things they see in and around towards the right and left. Once they come back, we ask them to draw the same thing that they have seen in the copy. After they draw, we explain to them that the things which you have drawn are called landmarks, and the path you have taken is known as direction. Then we explain to them that the drawing which you have drawn is in the form of 2D, and this way with the help of landmarks and directions we prepare maps, and the drawing which you have prepared is known as 2-dimensional. To continue with the activity, we divide the whole class into small groups, and we distribute the prepared guide maps, and we explain to them that how we use symbols for explaining the landmarks, and also we explain to them that in the drawing, where is the right, where is the left, where is the main gate, what is there to the right of the main gate, what is there to the left of the main gate. And with the help of the sun, we explain to them the directions, how with the help of sun they can understand the concept of right, left, east, west, north, south, northeast, northwest, etc. Then coming to the next concept, next we focus on giving them a perspective of measuring long distance lengths in the map. And for that, we again continue with the experiment. We ask them to move from one point to another, but this time they have to also notice different angles, how many right angles they see, what are different other type of angles they see, and also measure the count of steps that they are taking. After they come back, we ask them how many steps you have taken, what are different angles that you have seen, how many right angles you have seen. Then we explain to them that the number of steps you have taken, we can convert it into small forms, like say suppose if we take 3 centimeter equal to 15 steps, then that way we calculate the whole number of steps, and that way we measure the whole map. As a homework, we can ask them to prepare a map for the whole of their house, and make the observations in a chart paper and show you the next day. That's all for this lesson. This way we can continue with the lesson, and there are lots of outcomes if you teach the chapter in this way. Like, we will be developing the critical thinking, they will be developing their decision making attitude, They will be learning about different angles, they will be learning about directions, and main important, they will be learning teamwork. That's all for today. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel ZIAN. Thank you so much.